morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend, and we are ready for another pre-market update and great week. And we'll start with S&P 500 cycle analysis. You can see cycle exactly predicted bottom on this date, which is last Friday. If you look it on dot 31st of May, and I've been sharing this with all the subscribers, all you people who are watching this video. You know that we were getting a bottom, and we got a bottom on right on schedule, and now we're looking for this rally. So next couple of weeks, I'm looking for this rally and then maybe some little bit of decline. But for next 2 weeks, a rally is in progress, and the price action is very, very bullish. It's above three of the four moving averages, so it's looking really, really nice. We'll review crypto, we'll review other indices, we'll review commodities, and at the end, we will wrap up with FANG stock. Please hit the like button, guys. I would really appreciate and share this channel with your friends and family and help me grow this channel. All right, so looking for this rally. This rally will end probably 20th of June, so at least 2 weeks looking for a pump. That's what I'm thinking. And now we will do a side-by-side comparison. Well, I will keep MES day trading chart, which is swing trading chart on the right side. This is daily chart, and left side is day trading chart only. On the left side, you can see nice rally. We buy in the green zone, we sell in the red zone. And by the way, guys, if you want to know more about this indicator, I share these levels with my subscribers every hour. Click join button in the description of this video and let me know your user ID in Discord channel, and I will add you to members only group. So you can see nice rally from the buy zone. All indices had a nice rally on Friday, 2% on MES, and Nasdaq 100 also same thing. You can see nice rally from the buy zone below second and third standard deviation. Nice 2.18% rally, and now we are near sell zone. So let's see each individual indices one by one. So okay, so S&P 500 near sell zone. Okay, so if you took this dip, which I shared with everybody, and you should have looking to, you should have sold right now, if not already. So let's see pre-market. I think it's right near resistance right now, which is sitting at 53.07. It could go a little bit higher, 53.37. This is the best area to short, but this is only for day trading. All right, guys. So remember, long term, I'm still expecting 2 weeks of rally. Only for today, it can go down to neutral zone, which is white zone, and go higher, because you can see SPY, which is cash index, which is up 0.22%. Okay, now there's a gap here, so that gap is gonna be filled. You can see this yellow line. They are opening on a gap fill. So once that gap is filled, maybe they go a little lower and then go higher again. Okay, so that's all it's doing. So we need to fill this gap, so it will come down at the market open, 0.22% down, and then go higher again. That's what I think will happen most likely. And let's look at Nasdaq. You can see Nasdaq is still a little weaker. It was the weakest of all indices. Dow Jones was the best indices on Friday, but still can go higher. This one, triple Qs is up pre-market 0.68%. So this looks like a nice bullish Thor candle, and now there's a gap fill around 456. It's gonna probably go fill that gap. So keep that in mind. Dow Jones, let's look at daily chart. Very, very bullish. 9 counts buy signal got on Friday. Now looking higher. I think it's going to keep going higher. And the IA ETF, which is the cash index, there's a gap. Next target is around 390. They're going to go fill that gap eventually. And right now in the short term in the sell zone, so looking for some cool down. Russell 2000 ETF is also in the sell zone because of GME. Got a 9 counts buy signal on Friday, now going higher. And IWM, just remember it's opening on a massive gap up because of GME. It's already up almost 90% GME, so it could go come down, fill this gap, and then go higher again. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let's keep moving to Bitcoin. And on Bitcoin, I was telling everybody on BTC futures, there's a gap here around 70K. So 7,300, they're going to go fill. Actually, just touching this gap as we're talking. So good, congrats if you took that trade. It was almost 3% away from when I told you a couple of days ago. So it was now almost going to fill that gap. And now Bitcoin on a daily chart looks like prices are all above all moving average, going higher. Okay, so you can see green line is above red line, not yet, but it's going to cross over soon. So as soon as that happens, it's going to be very bullish. You can see this is like a higher high, higher low. So this is another higher low, and then it's going to go make a new high. All right, but short-term chart, day trading chart near resistance. Ethereum will do mostly what Bitcoin will do. So still a little bit weaker, but still making a flag. It can go higher in 4,000s anytime. And on ETH futures, the next target is 39.42. So there's a gap down, which happened, which is still not filled. So it's going to go hit that target sooner than later. All right, let's look at some of the major stocks. Tesla is near neutral zone. And let's see what else is here. Apple is pumping pre-market for some reason. So it's near sell zone, couple of gaps to the downside. Amazon is the weakest. It was the weakest on Friday. Still a very good buy, near buy zone. Target could be around 181, so Amazon can pump today. So also this looks like a bottom on Friday. So Amazon is the best stock to buy to hold long term out of all FANG stocks. It's the weakest, but it can pump the most. Netflix is near neutral zone. Google is also near neutral zone. Meta, Facebook is near neutral zone. Microsoft was the weakest, and now it pumped really massively on Friday end of day, near second standard deviation, third standard deviation, then pumped massively. Nice bounce. Now near the neutral zone. Snowflakes is still in the buy zone. NVDA is pumping. I think they released a new chip, so it's again near sell zone. AVGO is near neutral zone. Daily chart looking like there's a gap here around 1400. There could be a target. Qualcomm is also there's a gap here around 212. That could be target. AMD is already touching the pre-market level, up 1.77%. Massive, massive. So this gap is already touching. CRM Salesforce is down heavily after earnings, and nice pump from the buy zone. You can see on Friday, nice 7% pump. Consolidating looks like, but this gap will eventually fill. Earnings gap. We'll see how long it will take to fill. Commodities. Let's look at gold. Gold is jump bouncing from the buy zone. All right, still a high low. Can still bounce back a new high. Silver is, let's see, silver is also bouncing from the buy zone this morning. Crude oil near buy zone. All right, so commodities looks like could be near buy zone. Natural gas, massive pump, 6%. 7 counts buy signal I'm getting, but a gap is fill. There's a gap, so it's eventually will come down to fill that gap at some point. I don't know when. Copper, let's look at copper is bouncing from the buy zone. Palladium is also near neutral zone, I would say. Soybeans is in the buy zone. Soybeans is in the buy zone. Sugar is bouncing from the buy zone. Wheat is also buy zone to sell zone, already in the sell zone right now. Massive pump already around 700 bucks. Wheat again. Corn is in the buy zone, and dollar index, US dollar is near support. So just keep that in mind. Other than that, guys, if you have anything else, just shoot me a message on the stocks you want me to review, and I'll review tomorrow. And let's wrap up with VIX. VIX is nice sell-off on Friday, consolidating, but eventually it's going to go down, and that will help with this rally, which I'm expecting on S&P 500 for next 2 weeks. So looking for VIX to crush really bad, maybe in 12s or 11 bucks. Okay, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.